Click to generate image. Click to reference image. Then select the choose image. Select the reference image. Just click to open. Click to write prompt here. Then click to generate button here. Select the 3 variations and select second one and select the third one. I recommends first one. Right-click to convert to smart objects. Go to File. Choose Place Embedded. Select the only screenshot. Just click to Place button. Just hit the Enter button. Select the Mockup layer. Then select the Quickie Selection tool. And make a mockup selection. Create a duplicate layer. Press Ctrl+J. Select the screenshot layer and create a clipping mask. Free transform. Press the Ctrl+T. Then press the Hold Alt key. Then change the blend mode, multiply. Press Z key and fit on screen. I show you before and after result. Hope you like this. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Don't forget to press the bell icon.